Daylight Time. At 7:55 p.m. Central, the National Weather Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Grady County and central Oklahoma, east central Caddo County and southwestern Oklahoma until 8:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:55 p.m. Central Daylight Time, hail damage to vehicles. Locations impacted include Chickasha, Verdon, Amber. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. If on or near Lake Chickasha, get away from the water and move indoors or inside a vehicle. Remember, lightning can strike out to 15 miles from the parent thunderstorm. If you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Move to safe shelter now. Thunderstorm. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm, leading to flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. You are close enough to be struck by lightning. Move to safe shelter now. Do not be caught on the water. The national torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Western Oklahoma until 8:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:55 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Lake Chickasha, moving east at 30 miles an hour.
Well, that was unexpected.
Expected hazards include 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding.
Well, that was completely unexpected. Anyways, thanks so much for watching, and that'll be it for now. Hopefully I'm able to catch more alerts. So, yeah.
The National Weather warning for northeastern Grady County and central Oklahoma, northwestern Cleveland County and central Oklahoma, northwestern McLean County and central Oklahoma until 9:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Grady County and central Oklahoma, northwestern Cleveland County and central Oklahoma, northwestern McLean County and central Oklahoma until 9:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. The following at 27 p.m. Central Daylight Time, outdoors a severe thunderstorm was located. Expect hail damage to roofs. Windows. Expected hazards include golf ball size damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include southern Oklahoma. The following impacts are Norman, Lower, Newtown, Noble, Tuttle, Goldley, Cole, Ember, Bridge Creek, and Middleburg vehicles. Prepare immediately for large hail and damaging winds. People outside should move immediately to shelter in southern Oklahoma building. Southwest. Stay away from Moore, Newcastle. Large hail and damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck. Stay away from windows. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, a severe torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. At 8:19, do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. The thunderstorm was located near Percasset, moving east at 30 miles an hour. Golf ball size hail and 60 miles an hour wind gusts. This is a radar indicated threat.
Alrighty. So I was prepared this time because I did pull up IMBot on my monitor. And you may have heard it say areas affected include Southwest Oklahoma City. Well, if we look here, I don't see Oklahoma County in the alert.
occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to localized flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning.
We'll wait for it to loop back around. My phone is blowing up with notifications because it's 8:30 and people, you know, they schedule their videos to go out. So every half hour, my phone blows up with notifications from YouTube because people are releasing videos and stuff. Because they usually schedule it either at the top of the hour or at the half hour mark. As you may have noticed, I've been scheduling my videos to premiere on Fridays at 7 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Which, speaking of, I sincerely apologize for not being on my past premieres, you know, talking in the live chat. It's just a matter of me forgetting because I've had some stuff going on. As I mentioned in the last clip, I had state testing going on at school. So, and most people watching this video probably know what I mean because most states do state testing every year. So, yeah. So, we didn't do state testing last year. Now, I don't know about other states, but I know here in Oklahoma, you start doing state tests when you in 3rd grade. That's when you start doing state tests. I'm not going to say what grade I'm in, but yeah, like I said, I don't know about other states, but I know that here in Oklahoma, you start doing state tests in 3rd grade. So, yeah. Like I said, I'm not going to say what grade I'm in school, for privacy reasons. So, yeah.
You are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to localized flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. The following is a river flood warning for the following counties in Oklahoma, Potawatomi, and Seminole. The flood warning is now in effect until late tonight. The flood warning continues for the Little River near Tecumseh.
Okay, really?
Until late tonight. At 3:30 p.m. Central Daylight.
Goodness me.
The stage was 12.2 feet. Flood stage is 11.0 feet. Minor flooding is occurring and minor flooding is forecast. Recent activity.
Okay, so it does log alerts.
4 hours ending at 3:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time Wednesday was 14.1 feet. Forecast.
Okay, sorry, I just had to look at that because I've only had the WR400 for... Okay. Anyway, sorry. I've only had this WR400 for probably about 2 weeks, so I'm still getting used to it, and I haven't been able to be home to catch any of the alerts that we've had the past few days, so I didn't know how it does alerts. I didn't know if it was like the WR300 and it keeps track of all the alerts. Now, unfortunately, it's not like the WR400, it's not like the 300, and it can log alerts.
Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs.
But I was wondering how it handled multiple alerts, whether it was like the 12.5.19 and only shows one alert, even if like 3 severe thunderstorm warnings are in effect, which there aren't, there's only 2. the one you saw in the last clip and the one you saw in this clip. I was wondering if it was like 12.5.19 and Deborah 100 and stuff, and that only logs one alert. See?
Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember,
see here it only shows one alert, but yet there's two alerts that are in effect. This hasn't gone off for anything.
Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.
This isn't turned on.
In effect until 8:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time for northwestern
So,
County. At 8:19 p.m.
actually, let's see what alerts what stations I can get. Because I haven't actually attempted to do any DXing during severe weather. Because I'm usually focused on catching alerts.
Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding. Locations impacted include.
Can't really get anything on the 400.
Prepare immediately for large hail and damaging winds. People outside should move to a shelter inside a strong building and away from windows. Continuous cloud to ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors. One of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning.
Anyways.
Torrential rainfall is occurring with this
So,
storm.
I'm going to go ahead and end this clip. Since it's already long enough, and I've already talked long enough. Anyways, thanks for watching, and that'll be it for now. We'll see if anything else gets issued. Chances are, something else is probably going to get issued, but only time will tell. Anyways, thanks for watching, and that'll be it for now. Bye, everyone. I don't know why I said bye, everyone, because it's not a live stream, but still. Anyways. I feel like an idiot now. Anyways, that'll be it for now.
Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most of flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. National Weather Service can warn. Central Oklahoma until midnight Central 3 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing
Okay.
rain across the warned area.
So here's what's going to go on.
Expected to begin shortly. Expected hazards include flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Expected flooding of smoke.
Okay, so I do apologize for catching that alert late. So, anyways, so here's what I did. I've turned all my radios off. These two are on display. This is on display like it usually is. Display, alert off, display. Should be display. That's off. Okay.
thunderstorm warning for southwestern Lincoln County in central Oklahoma, southeastern Oklahoma County in central Oklahoma, northern Cleveland County in central Oklahoma, northwestern Potawatomi County in central Oklahoma, northwestern McLean County in central Oklahoma. The service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Lincoln County in central Oklahoma, southeastern Oklahoma County in central western Norman, Oregon, 7 miles north of Goldsby, moving east at 45 miles an hour. Expected hazards include tennis ball-sized hail and 70 miles an hour wind gusts. Severe weather has been confirmed by train spotters. The following impacts are expected. People and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include southeastern Oklahoma City, Norman, Moore, Shawnee, Newcastle, Tecumseh, Choctaw, McLeod, Pink, Goldsby, Brooksville, Stellar, Stanley Draper Lake, Dale, Newalla, Lake Thunderbird, Bethel Acres, and Little Lakes. This is a dangerous storm. Prepare immediately for large destructive hail capable of producing significant damage. People outside should move to shelter inside a strong building and stay away from windows. Large hail and damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, the following is a river flood warning to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Until late tonight. At 3:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Wednesday, the stage was 12.2 feet. Flood stage is 11.0 feet. Minor flooding.
Wow, that was unexpected.
Recent activity. The maximum river stage in the 24 hours ending at 3:30 p.m. Daylight Time Wednesday was 14.1 feet. Forecast. The Little River
Yep,
is expected to
that's
fall
what I
below
expected.
flood stage late this evening and continue falling to
NWS
5.0
play.
feet early.
Anyways, what I was showing you, I think I showed you this right before that unexpected alert. I set this to go off for alerts for Oklahoma County only because my parents are getting ready to go to bed. So, yeah. And I think that's the first time you've heard the siren on 12/5/19 without all the other sirens going off. This thing finally went off. Unfortunately, it didn't go off with its siren, but it did at least go off. So, yeah. Severe thunderstorm warning. Here it is on IMBot. Okay. Welcome to my life. Trying to look at stuff through IMBot. Text data. National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for. See. Okay. Where's that severe thunderstorm warning from earlier? There it is. Text data. Southern Oklahoma City. Southeastern. Basically saying. I think I mentioned this in our clip, but yeah, anyways. That was unexpected. Like I said, I think that's the first time you've heard the siren on 12/5/19 go off without everything else, all the other sirens, overriding it per se. See if this has. Oh, also, look what Antonio Cherry, also known as Pittsburgh EAS, published. NWS Tulsa. Well, we're dealing with national NWS Norman, but still. As you can see here, Oklahoma County, severe thunderstorm warning until Wednesday, April 29th, 9:45 p.m. Same thing with Storm Radar, which will be missed because they are deleting that. Then iAlert, which iAlert, I'm going to do a separate video on how to set that up. But basically it's a text message service that will send you a text message when an alert gets issued. So as you can see here, and then I can actually swipe to see it, which I'm not going to do because then I'd have to enter my passcode. Okay, Red Cross, give me a break. So, close that out, close that out. Take care of that. Also, you may notice that these are the same. The Storm Radar is owned by the Weather Channel. Unfortunately, Storm Radar is going to be discontinued in, I think, a little over 2 months, but it will be missed. And it'll just be this. I don't know what the Weather Channel plans on doing. Oh, public. Usually whenever a report for Norman comes in, it's usually this, where it's a National Weather Service employee. Let's see, can I find any reports from yesterday? No, I don't think so. All this stuff is from today. Anyways, doesn't matter. Alright, anyways, thanks for watching, and that'll be it for now. We'll see if anything else gets issued. So, yeah.